Tired? Want a way to study a complex topic in minutes? Free? You're not alone, but today we're diving into a tool that changes everything, ResearchFlow. Researching is hard, too much information, too little time. But what if there was a smarter way? ResearchFlow is a neuromorphic AI research and study workspace that transforms how people learn and understand complex knowledge. Imagine uploading, mapping, and exploring a topic in minutes, not hours. Psst, watch until the end of the video for a gift. Here's step-by-step how to use it. Open the link in the description. Press Try for free. First of all, we have to sign up. And we're in. You can upload any PDF document you want. ResearchFlow will work on it. I'm uploading a 63-page book about Linux. Now we have a full mind map on that first document we uploaded. As you can see, it is pretty in-depth. Let's say I don't understand this part. I can ask him to either dive in, explain, or simplify this concept. Let's try to get an example. Here it is. You can also customize the map however you want. You can also check what it is referring to in the original document. Also, you don't need a document to start with. You can type your question and search for academic papers about it, or the web, or not search. Let's search for a very hard and specific topic. It instantly gave us a mind map, a report about the research and the actual academic papers. You can also share and download your mind map and report. A pro search will obviously be a lot more accurate. As you can see, it directly references the academic paper on the report. The free plan that ResearchFlow offers is good, but may be limited for some users. And this is why I have a special coupon for those who reach this part of the video. Use code RFLOW2025 to enjoy a 20% discount on all payments. I hope that this video has helped you plan better your projects. A like, subscribe, and comment would be much appreciated. Unlock AI's full potential with ResearchFlow now. Link and discount in the description.